Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 5th of October 2021. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Taking a look at ChainLink here. ChainLink, like a lot of other cryptocurrencies, looks like they're getting ready to break out. Looks like they're poised for that kind of big spike, but ultimately really not seeing that play out here. ChainLink, really what it needs to do is it needs to have a close really at $30 and 75 cents. When that happens, that will put the close above the cloud, also put the lagging span above the candlesticks into the open space. Ideally, probably just 31 even would be even better. But that's here on the daily chart. And when you look at the current conditions within the daily chart, if you look at the first overbought condition in a bear market, because I've shifted the RSI into bear market conditions, you have 55 as the first overbought level. That's where it's currently trading up against. And then you see that there's a slightly higher high here. Not slightly, but when you look at the peak from the September 16th high, so here's that high and close compared to the peak in the composite index down below. Relate that to the October 3rd peak and close and high. You'll see that there's a higher high on the composite index, but a lower high on the price chart. So that's hidden bearish divergence. That is warning of a continuation move lower. Additionally, the lagging span, the black line back here, it's trading right up against the bottom of the candlesticks, really not showing a lot of conviction that it wants to move up higher. So there's that weakness there. On the weekly chart, things look fairly, they look fairly bearish still. Could not break above even 60 here on the RSI back on the week of August 30th. Inside the cloud, and so things look very much like they may have a continuation move south. Now, at the same time, a lot of this can change very quickly. It's not, it's getting into a condition where you'll have we'll see a very neutral condition for the long and short side of the market. If things continue to just sit inside the cloud, things are going to be kind of stuck. So, the weekly chart shows things are pretty constricted. The daily chart does. What does the monthly chart show? Monthly chart, it shows that there's kind of a bear flag on that RSI, but there has been support found against the 50 level. So there is still some, evidence of some bullish activity still. But this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, going on the 5th consecutive month below the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which is not a very strong signal at all. It's not a sign of strength. And when I'm just looking at the hourly here, I know it's 12:28 p.m., so it'll be, later by the time other people see it. But, the hourly chart is hinting at some big drawdowns here in the current value of ChainLink. So I would anticipate a return down to at least the 50% fib retracement here at 2240. And that may hold as support just from that fib level. Also, it may hold as support from the lagging span finding support against Senko span B. So we'll watch and see how that plays out. But otherwise, a return to 2240 seems likely. And if that's not the case, if it keeps going up, we need to see a close above at 31 even, basically, and then it'll start its march higher and definitely towards that $55 level again. Thank you for watching. From all this here at Exchange Rates UK TV, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.